In this video, I will show you how to open an LLC in the USA from India. And the method I'll show you in this video makes sure that you are entirely 100% compliant and you will avoid any unnecessary fees and fines. So the tool that I'll show you in this video how to use is called Doola. Now you can see they help you start your US business from anywhere including India and keep it 100% compliant. They will take care of the formation, EIN, the registered agent, the annual state filing fees, federal tax filings, and you will get a dedicated account manager. On top of that, they will help you grow your business so you can simply focus on growing your business and let Doola handle your business compliance needs. This will save you a lot of time and headaches. So I'll show you exactly why this tool is great, how you can use it, and how this kind of works. So you can see they have about 4.5 stars out of 5 on Trustpilot with over 1400 reviews. So in order to get started, you can use my link down in the description and that will get you a free consultation, as you can see right here. But what you can also do with the link in the description is just go to formation right here. And then once you're in formation, all you need to do is scroll down a bit. Then here you will see LLC. Now when you scroll a bit further, you can see the step-by-step process. So in order to form your LLC in the USA from India, this is what they will need from you. You will need to enter your ideal company name, your personal address, and this can be anywhere in the world, and your email address. And that's all you need to enter. Then you will get everything you need. So what you get from them is a company formed within any state, an employer identification number, an operating agreement and articles of organization, and you will get the registered agent service. And they will also help you set up your US bank account. As you can see, this process takes 1 week, then here 1 to 2 business days, and here 3 to 5. So altogether, setting up your LLC with Doola should not take more than 2 weeks. So the third step is set up your business bank account, and once you get your EIN, which is required for a bank account in the US, you are ready to apply for a US bank account through their custom partner portal. A passport is required for this step. So now you can just focus on growing your business while letting Doola handle your taxes and everything else that comes with forming an LLC in the USA. So if you're wondering how much this will cost, I'll go over that right now. So they will help you do it from $297 per year, and this will help you just start your business, and this is the basic plan. However, if you want to make sure that you stay 100% compliant and let Doola pretty much do everything for you, including your IRS tax filings and pretty much everything that comes with forming an LLC, then you want to select this package right here, which is either $300 per month or you can save $1,600 per year by paying for the annual subscription. Now you can see what's included right here. So both of these packages have formation filings, you will get an EIN, registered agent service, and an operating agreement. Now when you pick the total compliance package, they will also do the annual state filings for you. You will get tax support through a CPA consultation, and you will get the IRS tax filings. Then you will get their bookkeeping software, and you will get a dedicated account manager. Now in my opinion, this plan is 100% worth it, so I actually use this plan right here. Now I'm going to select annual subscription and click total compliance right here. Now in order to get started, it's really simple. And as you can see with Doola, they help you file your taxes and you can just run your business. And the great thing about Doola and why I use it is they take care of the complicated stuff, so you save stress and avoid over $25,000 in IRS penalties and state fees. So this is the money that you could be spending instead of the $300 per month when you do this wrong. And these people from Doola do this every single day. They have great reviews and they know what they are actually doing. So that's why I personally like Doola. So just click on the link down in the description, go to formation, and now you can book a free consultation or simply click get started. Once you click get started, you will see this screen right here where you can get started forming your LLC. Now I'll quickly show you the step-by-step process to actually setting up your LLC. So you can either book your free consultation here or scroll down and click I'm ready to get started. Now here all you need to do to create your account is enter your first and last name, your email address and your password twice. Then after you click sign up with email, you will have created your account. Now here you want to select your country, so in our case that's India. Then click on next right here. Now you want to select LLC right here since we are forming an LLC. Then click next again. Now here you need to choose a state to form your LLC in. Now they recommend Wyoming for the simplified formation, the lower annual operating costs and the flexibility. There is also no corporate income tax or annual franchise tax. So I also use Wyoming and this is recommended, although you can also choose a different one. I'm just going to select Wyoming, and as you can see they have a one-time filing fee of $102. Now this is not that bad, some states have about $500. So then click next right here. Now here enter the company name that you want your LLC to have. Now you don't need to enter LLC in this name, you can just enter your name that you like to have. So for example, if I add the name of my channel, and then click next right here. Now they will form an LLC for me with that name. So you can start your dream business and keep it 100% compliant. So this is everything that is included in this plan right here, and I'm going to set it to annual to save a lot of money. So then click next right here, and now here just go and review all your details, and if it's all correct you can just go and click on this box right here and then go and pay for it, and then they will actually form your LLC, and within 2 weeks you will have your USA LLC formed completely compliant. And now if you're wondering what the next step is, all you need to do is go to Doola.com, and then what you can do is go to the home screen, and then here in the top right you see the sign in button, and when you click sign in you can simply sign into your account, and that will take you to your dashboard. So you want to use your email and password that you just created your account with. So simply click on the link down in the description and that will take you to Doola.com. Here you can either book a free consultation or just get started with forming your LLC 100% compliantly. And when you use Doola, you don't have to worry about the formation, getting everything you need, staying compliant, filing your taxes correctly, and avoiding fees and fines up to $25,000, as we can see right here, from the IRS. So now you know how to open an LLC in the USA from India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.